I got a couple right away. I thought that was incredible. You're not buying. I got told by everything. Really lucky the way the water was rushing. But I don't care. Because that's why I make money. When I went into the dealership, I was still on crutches, but them are in ridiculous condition. In Canada, you get to ride 2 months of the year. I don't know what it is. Plus, the traffic here in the hills, beautiful town. So that changes the geometry. That means the ocean. The thing about beaches here in Costa Rica, almost